Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into something absolutely fascinating that's happening right now with shiny rocks that somehow control the global economy. Yes, that's right. Gold and silver are putting on a show that makes Broadway musicals look understated, and if you're not paying attention, you might miss the grand finale. For those unfamiliar with the current precious metals drama, gold has been climbing faster than a cat that just spotted a cucumber, while silver's been playing catch-up like your friend who's always 15 minutes late to everything. But here's the kicker. All our technical analysis suggests we're approaching what might be the peak for 2025. Not just any old ceiling of resistance, but the actual roof of the building. Looking at this chart, we can see gold has been on an absolute tear, approaching the $3,100 to $3,200 zone faster than free samples disappear at Costco. Some extreme projections even suggest it could touch the $3,400 area if things get really wild. Meanwhile, silver's been bouncing around the $34 mark, trying to decide if it wants to join the party or take a quick nap first. Even our resident precious metals analyst is getting anxious about these levels, and he once built a nest entirely out of silver coins during the 2011 bull market. Now, let's talk about timing. The week of March 24th is lighting up on our charts like a Christmas tree in Times Square. We've got multiple directional change signals, volatility spikes, and what technical analysts call a panic cycle, all converging around this date. It's like the universe is screaming, something's gonna happen, while waving jazz hands. The really wild part? This timing isn't just showing up in one indicator, it's appearing across daily, weekly, and monthly charts. When you get this kind of alignment, it's like seeing all the planets line up while a rainbow forms and your horoscope says today's the day. You probably should pay attention. Zooming out to the weekly picture, gold's been in an uptrend that would make even the most dedicated mountain climber jealous. But trees don't grow to the sky, and precious metals don't rally forever. Every major bull run needs to take a breather, and all signs point to late March being the time when gold and silver might need to sit down and have a juice box. So, what's driving this potential peak? Well, it's a perfect storm of factors. We've got geopolitical tensions that make family Thanksgiving dinners look harmonious by comparison. There are rumours of European capital controls that have wealthy people moving money faster than teenagers hiding their phones when parents walk in. And let's not forget the traditional safe haven buying that happens whenever the world seems particularly chaotic, which, let's be honest, is pretty much all the time lately. For gold, watch those key resistance levels around £3,100, $3,200, and the extreme target near $3,400. If prices hit these zones during the week of March 24th and start acting more suspicious than a cat near a broken vase, it might be time to consider taking some profits. For silver, the picture is similar, but with its own quirks. It's currently dancing around $34, with key overhead resistance in the $35 zone. A failure to push decisively through that level could signal the party's winding down. The bottom line? If you've been riding this precious metals bull and wondering when to consider taking some chips off the table, the week of March 24th is flashing in neon lights as a potential turning point. This doesn't mean metals will crash. They might just take a significant breather before deciding their next move. Before we wrap up, if you found this analysis helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insights that will either help you navigate these shiny markets or at least give you something interesting to talk about at dinner parties while showing off your gold cufflinks. Remember, in precious metals, what goes up must eventually take a nap. The question is whether you'll be tucking it in or getting caught snoring yourself. See you in the next video.